Yes, I. We got my families. Only when hurricane time people are unite. Hurricane Beryl, they order mash up places. Loving their sing about Wild Gilbert. Nobody remember Hurricane Iris Belize. So I bring it track here for now. Hear me now. Me hear a buzz overhead just like one of my bees. Sarah next to Iris breaking the trees. The barrack at fairway that kept I shout that was teased. When I went to see and bite, I wasn't quite pleased to see the remain of this a very strong breeze that passed through the southern villages of Belize. Hurricane Iris, the records out of Belize, breaking up homes and putting up trees. Hurricane Iris, the records out of Belize. This one in Lanana part of the Keys. Hurricane Iris, the records out of Belize. 149 miles a strong breeze. Most people left the coastal shelter in Belmopan. 8 October 2001, 7:30 p.m. the strong wind began. Nemo headquarters in a strong position. They advised to cease movements and motion while Hurricane Iris came up in action. Most people were prepared, did have a plan with little bit of everything that they demand. Thanks to the weather channel and radio station, kept them updated towards the operation. Thanks to the soldiers and policemen, NGOs and organization who assist us while Iris did what she can. Hurricane Iris did the records out of Belize, breaking up homes and putting up trees. Hurricane Iris did the records out of Belize. This one in another part of the Keys. Hurricane Iris did the records out of Belize. 149 miles a strong breeze, reverse the Maya be sailed by Placentia, Independence, Smoky River, and Punta Negra. She went southwest bypass Punta Gorda, struck the inland villages up to the border. Hurricane Iris did the records out of Belize. This one in another part of the Keys. Hurricane Iris, the records out of Belize. 149 miles a strong breeze. Hurricane Iris did the records out of Belize.